So we're going to talk about the circle. The definition of the circle is a set of points equidistant from the center. What this means is that if we drew a line from the center point of the circle all the way to its edge, the line would always be the same length no matter where you drew it. Equidistant means the same distance. So the points on the circle are all the same distance away from the center point. There are different words you need to learn, including these. A chord. A chord I drew in blue is any line segment that cuts the circle at 2 points. The diameter is a chord, except it's the longest chord and it passes through the center point. A tangent is a line that touches the circle only at 1 point. The radius. This is a line that connects the center of the circle to the edge of the circle or to the circumference of the circle. It is exactly half the length of the diameter. So diameter is equal to twice the radius. We can calculate the circumference of the circle. You'll see soon what the circumference is. You can calculate the circumference by doing 2 times pi times r, or you can use another formula. You can do circumference is equal to pi times d. So you can either use the formula that has the radius or the formula that has the diameter in it. Pi is approximately 3.14. So what's the circumference? The circumference is the length of the line that goes around the circle. It's kind of like the perimeter of a polygon, except this is the total length around the circle. So pi is a number that has a decimal portion that goes on forever without repeating. It's 3.14159 and goes on forever, but we can approximate it to be 3.14. So the two formulas that we can use for circumference is the diameter times 3.14 or 2 times the radius times 3.14. Remember that 2 times the radius is the diameter. Here's a circle that has a radius of 5 centimeters. Let's use our formula to solve for the circumference. The formula we're going to use is the one that has the radius in it. So it's going to be 2 times the radius times 3.14. And we replace the radius by 5. We multiply everything together, and we find out that the total length around the circle, the circumference of the circle, is 3.14 centimeters.